para maging malinaw, ang gagawin natin, pag tutugma-tugmain po natin, ha? Privilege speech ni Senador Marcoleta, yung tanong, tapos ano yung naging sagot ni Senador Lacson. Para malinaw, ha?
Tingnan natin.
At tapos, sa bandang huli, titingnan natin ano yung mga hindi na sagot.
Okay.
Ayun,
Sige. So, ang magsisimula tayo ng Lunes.
Lunes muna.
Kasi yun ang
pagtatagpin na natin.
Sige.
Yun muna sa minority report.
Sige.
Sige nga, tingnan natin.
Tapos ng 8 buwan, natukoy na ba kung sino ang mga walang hiya? Since the first Blue Ribbon hearing last August 19, 2025, the public has watched closely, anticipating the outcome of our inquiries and investigations. The demand for transparency and accountability did not subside. It has only grown louder. Despite the increasing public clamor for transparency and accountability, we are stuck in a maze of indecision and complacency, waiting for a report that has long been overdue. Mr. President, as early as December of last year, the minority submitted its observations, findings, and recommendations based on the initial 6 public hearings of the Blue Ribbon Committee and labeled it a minority report, for lack of a better term.
Okay na, boss.
Ayun. Yun daw, Nelson, ang unang bahagi.
Yun na yun?
Na nabitin akong konti. Ano, ha? Doon mo simulan sa unang tanong, mga ilang minutes ba yon?
Hindi, yun ang tinatanong, minority report. At least nasabi na, no? Asan yung minority report?
Since December last year, sabi ni Senador Marcoleta.
Anong sagot ni Senador Lacson?
Panoorin natin.
Continued the same litany in his speech yesterday, Mr. President. Let me count and rebut it once and for all. 1. On the release of the minority report, tahasang pinagmamalaki ni Senator Marcoleta ang minority report for the lack of better term, he said, na kanyang nilabas noong December 10, 2025, na siya ring naging paksa ng kanyang litanya kahapon. For his information, I wish to underscore a part of Section 22 of the Senate Rules shown on the screen, which states that, and I quote, concurring and dissenting reports may likewise be made by the members who do not sign the majority report within 72 hours from the approval of the report. Napakalinaw naman po, Mr. President. Concurring and dissenting reports may be made 72 hours after the committee report has been approved by the majority vote of all its members. Siya na nga itong gawa ng mga bagay na wala naman sa alituntunin ng Senado. Pagkatapos, ako ang pagbibintangan niya na epal. He even had the audacity to declare, and I quote his speech, a submission anchored on the same hearings, 3 of which he actually presided, the same resource persons, and the same affidavits. Masasabi ba niyang pangbasura lang din ang lahat ng yun? At this point, Senator Marcoleta must know that rhetorical fallacies do not amuse me, Mr. President. If the release of this so-called minority report and its contents did not amount to a direct affront to the chairman and to the committee as a collegial body, then I'm not sure what is. May I also emphasize, Mr. President, that this same report brazenly stated that, and I quote, the BRC, Blue Ribbon Committee, cannot and should no longer compete with the National Prosecution Services and eventually the judiciary in finally disposing of these cases, unquote. Clearly implying that the committee must conclude its proceedings. Mr. President, sino ba siya para pangunahan ang chairman at ang mayorya na miyembro ng committee? Wala sa lugar, wala sa hulog. Saganang akin lang din naman, kagulat-gulat po ba ang naging reaksyon ng representasyon na ito na walang lugar ang ulat na yan kundi sa basurahan? Kayo na ang humusga, Mr. President. Number 2.
Ayun.
Ayun, nasan? Oh, yun naman ang sagot niya ukol dun sa minority report ni Senator Ping.
Ayun nga.
Oho. Pero ang gusto kasi malaman sana ni Senador Marcoleta, 8 buwan na nakalipas. Ano nangyari?
Oo.
Bakit hanggang ngayon ay wala pa?